there's some word called post depression also for mothers, like why it happened?
Yeah, because after the pregnancy, it's a very post depression disorder is very common in pregnancies. The mother who has just delivered a baby. So it's very common. Why? Because suddenly she gained up 12-15 kg and she got a cesarean, and she used to wear this beautiful clothes. Now she has a very flabby, tummy, and she
With
has
stretch
to,
marks.
it's like a second birth,
Yeah.
with stretch marks and everything. I agree with you. And she have to really work hard 6 months to 1 year, get yoga, get Pilates, all the physical workouts, so to come back in the same shape. Because then the mother feels, my figure, my whole body has become saggy, I don't look that beautiful I used to look. Because again, that mirror also is very important. So that's why post pregnancy they start getting stressed out. It's like a second birth. Are you understanding? So because you get a vagina, you have this baby coming from vagina, you get the episiotomy, sutures, so all these painful procedures is like a roller coaster ride.